Have you ever had that feeling? The one where you've diligently been stashing money away in an investment, watching it grow over time, and then a sudden need for cash arises. Maybe it's an emergency, a new opportunity, or just a major purchase you've been saving for. Your mind immediately goes to your investments and one question screams louder than any other: can I even get this money back? It's a completely normal fear, especially with platforms like StashAway that automate so much of the investing process for you. You hear about things like market cycles, diversification, and long-term goals, but what about the practical, day-to-day reality of accessing your own money? The good news is, getting your money out of StashAway is a straightforward process. The better news is, it's also a lot faster than you might think. But to answer the question, how long does it take, we need to understand exactly what's happening behind the scenes. When you hit the withdraw button on your StashAway app, it's not an instant transfer from a digital wallet. You're not just moving cash. You're essentially telling the platform to sell the assets in your portfolio, those ETFs, bonds, or other securities, and then transfer the resulting cash to your bank account. This two-part process is the key to understanding the timeline. So, let's talk about those timelines. For most of StashAway's popular portfolios, you can expect the entire process to take a few business days. A business day is crucial here. Think Monday through Friday, not including public holidays or weekends. If you're withdrawing from a StashAway simple portfolio, which is designed for cash management, the process is generally the quickest. It typically takes about 2 to 3 business days from the moment you initiate the withdrawal for the money to land in your personal bank account. This is because these portfolios invest in highly liquid funds, making the selling portion of the process very fast. For the more traditional general investing, thematic, or ESG portfolios, where your money is invested in a wider range of global ETFs, the timeline is slightly longer. Here, the entire process, from selling the securities to the money appearing in your account, takes about 3 to 4 business days. Now, a couple of things can affect this timeline. First, a recent deposit. If you've just added money to your account and then immediately request a full withdrawal, it can cause a slight delay. This is because StashAway needs to settle those new funds and complete the purchase of new securities before it can sell everything off for your withdrawal. Second, holidays and weekends. If you submit a withdrawal request on a Friday evening, the process won't truly begin until Monday morning, extending the timeline. And if there's a public holiday in the mix, add another day to the wait. So, while the idea of a simple one-click transfer is appealing, understanding the underlying mechanism helps set realistic expectations. StashAway is working to liquidate your investments and safely transfer them to you, a process that naturally takes a little time. The key is to plan ahead and give yourself a small buffer, just in case. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.